A couple months ago, I posted a set of photos of this truck in the interior of the trailer. We'll see if I can't go back there and peek through the door. The owners might be around to where we can have a quick look inside. You don't have to step out of the way. I'm gonna put you on camera. You know, we all know this guy here on the right. You know, Mr. Mr. Steve Ford, Mr.
Dave Hulburt.
Okay, thank you.
Have you done a tour of this trailer yet?
No, but you'd have to narrate because I saw photos of it, and I think that I wouldn't be able to give due justice to what people are looking at.
I'm not a good narrator.
That's okay. And by the way, we're live, so just have to give you that disclaimer as well.
Yep. It's kind of a mess we're living in here, but it's our little home at the truck shows.
Very cool. Well, tell us what you did, starting with the front of the truck or the front of the trailer.
Just our bedroom here. Got storage under the bed. Just wanted a place that we could get into and get out of the weather.
Sure.
Everything and enjoy it.
You need that at the shows. A lot of times, it'll rain or it's hot or it's
Yep.
someone wants to take a nap.
You're right.
Tell us about what you did with what they call this shiplap.
It's actually a yellow pine tongue and groove
Okay.
type of thing. I didn't do it. I'm not a woodworker, a young man. I haul log cabins.
Okay.
Young man that builds log cabins did this evenings and weekends on his off time. He did everything. I
Okay.
mean, just a young man.
Did an excellent job.
He put a mini split in. If you look underneath the trailer, you can see where the outside unit is under there.
Mm-hmm.
Everything runs off of 110. I can plug in anywhere with an extension cord and run it.
Perfect. What size generator do you have running?
That's only a little 2,000 watt Predator Harbor Freight generator.
Perfect.
Powers everything. Heat and air, stove, refrigerator. My wife says I want a bathroom and a shower, so I found another trailer that we're building and it's going to have a bathroom and a shower.
Very nice.
So I put my golf cart and I have a little Jeep. I brought 2 golf carts here because we don't live far away.
Okay.
But this is the garage area.
Yeah.
I'm looking for friends' pictures to put on the wall. Just love the people that we meet at these shows and see, and the kids.
All right.
That's my little grandson Lucas.
Hello, Lucas. That's my son's name. My youngest son. His name is Lucas.
No, he's not here, so went to the restaurant. But always wanted a young man drew this.
I was just gonna ask that. You read my mind.
8-year-old Kyler Truesdale. He did that in about 15 minutes one evening. In fact, he kind of got a little tired of doing it and he wanted to quit. And I'm like, please finish.
That's awesome.
And he did a great job.
That's very cool.
He's a wonderful young man.
Very nice.
Yeah, the other one's going to be a little bigger. I'm
Okay.
gonna make it a little different.
And with the reefers, of course, I've never really inquired what type of insulation is on a standard reefer.
Well, they have like a foam spray insulation on it.
Okay.
And we didn't do any insulation. It's just a 2x4 walling with a tongue and groove.
Okay.
Hickory cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one I'm gonna put like a shower on one side, a bathroom on it, toilet on the other side. So you can go straight through to the bathroom.
Very nice.
I'm looking forward to working.
Yeah, for sure. This is great. I would love to see more of these pop up at the shows because, as you know, everybody knows everyone's been creative with building trucks and everything, but to see some of these trailers converted into living spaces and be equally as creative.
Yes.
I mean, it would really turn into bringing all the family to the shows, and really being able to enjoy the show. And
I've had so many wives say I want to show my husband. I've had so many husbands say I want to show my wife.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, they come together on what they like.
For sure. Make it really fun.
I hope that a lot more people, because everybody wants to bring a trailer to a show.
Mm-hmm. That's
You
right.
might as well use it.
Absolutely.
I
right, well-
used to pull my camper, and I thought,
Yep.
I finally put her together.
Yeah. And I think this is the show that I seen this truck for the very first time. I got a shot of you when you're heading out.
Okay.
And of course, the truck is stunning from the outside. And several months later, I saw the interior, and I was just blown away. So I appreciate you taking the time to give us a quick little
You're
tour of this.
welcome to look in and climb in or do whatever. I know some people look at you funny, but I'm here. It's for people to enjoy. That's why you're here.
That's cool.
You know,
I appreciate it.
enjoy.
I appreciate it.
I have people come and look, and they hesitate. They don't want to look in.
Yeah, because they may feel it's someone's personal space.
I
So
I feel the same way.
right,
But I also feel that's why we do it.
right, yep. All right, well, cool. We're
You
gonna.
like the nice cold water?
No, I'm okay right now. I'm gonna keep this going. We got a live feed going, so I'm gonna take the guys on, some more sights and sounds. Thank you, Mr. Lucas.
Well, thank you. Thanks for including us.
Absolutely. All right, thanks a lot, and we'll see you.
Nice meeting you.
See you, Steve.